Today we're going to have a new lesson, and it's all about the consonant sound. Alright, the phonic sound of letter B and letter C. Alright, and today I have also a friend with me, Bobo the monkey. Bobo, can you say hello to them? Hello, my name is Bobo. How are you today? Yes, Bobo says hello to everyone. Say hello to Bobo. Yes, Bobo will stay with us all throughout our lesson, but for a meantime, let's say bye-bye, Bobo. See you later. Bye, Bobo. Bye-bye. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin. Our first letter is letter B. B. The sound of letter B is, it's not ba, it's not bu, it's one of the example of letter B. The sound is a ball. Ball. Can you say ball? Ball. Good job. Another example is a bag. 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 Can you say bag? Good job. Think of something that begins with letter B. It could be objects, it could be animals, or anything that begins with letter B. Or a name. Yeah! Bobo, do you want to eat banana? Yes? Let's feed Bobo. Banana begins with letter B. Banana. Banana. Bobo starts with letter B, and Bobo will eat the banana. Banana, Bobo. You have fun? Yay! High five! Good job! Alright, now our next lesson is letter C. And the sound of letter C is k. Can you say k? Good job! And the objects that begins with letter C is a candle. Candle. Can you say candle? Yes! Good job! And another example of letter C sound is can. Can. Can you say can? Yeah! High five! Yay! Can you think of an object or animals or a name that begins with letter C? The sound is k. Yes, can you say objects that begins with letter C? Yay! Okay, can you tell me again the letters that you have learned today and their sounds? Yes, the letter B, the sound is, and the letter C, the sound is. That's all for today, and do not forget to click subscribe, follow, and share, and ring the bell